Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Women Over 50 Fitness. So in today's video, I thought I would share with you a really nice evening gentle stretch, particularly after a hard day's work or just a day where you feel you need to just really unwind and just really calm the nervous system down, everything down, ready for a good night's sleep. So excuse the dog. So first of all, we're just going to sit down with our feet literally in a cross-legged position, in front if you can, or on top. If you can't do that, you can even just have your legs out in front of you. And what we're going to do first is we're just going to just gently roll our shoulders back. Now, I like to sit as kind of like as straight as I can. You don't want to be too hunched over, so if you can straighten your spine, and if you can hold your hands onto your tummy and just literally breathe in for 3 and hold that engagement, this will actually really help with the core and also help with the back. So just very gently first, backward motion and then forward. And then we're just going to calm down and stretch out the whole day of whatever we've been doing. Just really stretch out with our arm over our head, fingers and hands down if you can get as much surface area as possible on those palms, and then come back up and stretch back again. If you like, you can also then take a couple of deep belly breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. This will really help with oxygen and blood flow to the body, the head and the neck. Remembering to hold in that core, calming everything down. And then let's just tilt our head to the side if you don't have any neck issues. Hold a lot of tension in our neck. So tilting the head, just try to place your shoulder down a little bit lower. And then gently come up and then to the other side. And then again, just place the shoulder down more. Now you can also do this if you're in a seated position. And gently come up and then just come to the side and then roll very lightly to the front and to the side, loosening up the whole of the day. And then back to the middle, and then just very, very gently come back up. So now we're going to do a little gentle twist, placing our hand onto our knee, other hand behind, and then breathing out and just gently twist to the side, breathing out. Again, trying to remember to hold in that core and a fairly straight back if you can. And slowly release, come back to the middle, hand onto the knee, hand onto the floor. Again, as maximum surface area as possible so you're not falling, and then just very gently twist to the side whilst breathing out. And just hold that for a few seconds. Gently come back up, and then we're going to come down onto our back here, and we're just going to bring our knee into our chest. And if you want a further stretch, you can bring your other leg outwards. A couple of deep belly breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. And come back up and release, and then the other leg coming up, just placing it, hold it into your chest. And if you like, if you want to, you can get an extra stretch by placing your other leg outwards. Just bring the knees in. And then come back up. And then just gently come to the side, placing your hands down and bring yourself up nice and gently. And then placing the feet into almost a diamond shape if you like. If not, you can hold them out if you like, but a diamond shape if possible, placing your fingers onto your toes and releasing any tension within the hip, and then just gently lifting up, breathing out, and just very gently just come forward slightly and hold that stretch. Remembering to hold in the core. Try not to round the shoulders and come over. Just make sure that your back is nice and straight. Just gently lean into it. And come back up. And then for our final stretch here, just for the night time, feel that our knees are down here and our feet are nice and our toes are flush to the floor. Let's just do a few gentle cat's cows, coming up, coming back down, placing your glutes out and your head up and up again. Cat, up to the cow, and one last time. And then just gently place your bottom onto your feet, baby position. If you can't go all the way down, that's fine. Just go as far as you can. Few deep belly breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. And gently, just gently come back up into your seated position. Again, just do a few gentle shoulder rolls. Place your hands onto your knees, close the eyes and just gently breathe in for 3. Calming everything down, the whole days of stress. And release. So now you're ready for your evening. So I hope you enjoyed today's very light and actually, to be honest, last minute video. I felt quite tired after the Christmas rev up, if you like, and so I just thought it was quite nice to just sit down with you guys and just have a few moments to just recalibrate and get ready for the evening. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing and a thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.